Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your profile picture in Rednote. The first thing is to open up your Rednote, and then from the home page here, click on your profile icon or the me icon at the bottom, and then you click on your picture, profile picture. And now how do you change it? Two ways you can change it. You can upload a new avatar, or you can create an AI avatar. Or I can just add a picture by clicking on the plus icon and then choose the picture I want from here. You can choose the picture you want. So it depends on you. Let's say I can click on new and take a new picture for myself. So I go back, then let's go back. You can see most of it is in Chinese, so I can need a translator for this. So let's just go to make an avatar. If you can upload a new avatar by clicking on the first option, then don't forget to give access to your photos and media on your devices if you already have it, the avatar. If you do not, then you can create AI avatar, second one, as if you don't want to give access to your camera. So I like this one. Just pick one. So you say you still need to allow permission. Fine, let's give it permission and see. So this permission to your gallery. So I don't want to give permission anymore. So let's click on this one and see. Okay, these are the effects, the way the avatar will look when you give it a picture to use. So you choose the picture you want to use, and then when you're choosing the picture you want to use, you allow it to use it. It's as simple as that. Let's say I want to use this particular picture, then I click on create. It's generating it right now. So that is it. You can see. So it's done. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.